Hello dear viewers, it's time to think about your soft lips, and lip balms are a great way to keep your lips supple and hydrated. If you want to get the advantage of certain ingredients in lip balms, homemade lip balms are ideal. Dry and chapped lips are common concerns. Such lips need special attention to stay hydrated. Lip care is as important for beauty as skincare. Lip balms made out of natural ingredients are beneficial in faster healing. In addition, dye lip balms allow you to customize the balm as per your lip concern. Soft and gorgeous lips are most adorable, but to achieve such lips, you must provide them nourishment and protect them from bad weather conditions and harmful sun rays. Customized lip balms are ideal gifts to your loved ones and friends too. You can always make a lip balm using the ingredients available in your kitchen. Before I share the 2 secret recipes, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to keep in touch. Now, let's begin with first one. You need 1 tablespoon grated beeswax, 1 tablespoon extra virgin coconut oil, a little organic raw honey, 2 capsules of vitamin A. Use a boiler to melt down the beeswax, and when it's about halfway done, add coconut oil and honey. Blend the ingredients together. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E oil. Once it's cool, transfer the product into a tin or an old lip balm container. Apply whenever your lips feel dry or dehydrated. Please press the like button if you feel we deserve, and share it with your friends as well. Now move towards other simple solution. Take 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon white beeswax pellets, 1 teaspoon sweet almond oil, 2 to 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. Heat the beeswax in a double boiler and add the coconut oil and sweet almond oil to it. Use chopsticks to stir the ingredients. Stir in the peppermint essential oil with your chopstick. Once the mixture cools down, pour it into tins or tubes and allow the lip balm to set. It was all for today. Please write to us what you need. We will try to give you natural solutions. Till the next video, take care and be healthy.